Comes out slightly, and you've got heavy black smoke with great speed. What the hell are you going to do at that point? What are you going to do?
I'm going to make sure the door stays shut.
You're going to make sure the door stays shut, and you want to make sure you got a hose team behind you. Figure out, are the guys pushing the fire towards you, or are they at a different place in the building and you need to direct a fire attack? So, there's no ceilings in this world that's tall enough to do this. So your top hinge, there's two different techniques. You can either bring it down. Most of the time, the folks there's your hinge pull. Of course, this one and the one below is going to be a whole lot easier because you're pulling down on the bar. Top one's always the hardest. Top one's going to be your first one to pull. So there's four, aluminum roofing nails. We'll find out if it works on my magnet. But hold them into place. That's about it. What was giving you the problem is it got bent in there.
The nail was bent over a little bit too.
Yeah. There you go. Pull, pull, pull.
Don't yank it, just pull constant pressure.
Over. Bingo.